Welcome back. Well, it's drifting a little lower for the bank nifty. Nothing really to write home about, but there's a little bit of volatility which seems to be setting in at this point in time. So do watch out for that particular index, currently just about higher by around 0.3%. When we started the show, it was higher by around 0.4%. So you can see that's a little bit of profit booking which is taking place at higher levels. But let's focus on another story now. LT Foods is in focus. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 that PE funds may be in the race for acquiring a significant stake. Vivek Iyer has all the details on this particular story. Vivek, go ahead.
Well, good afternoon. So what we are understanding is that, we understand this from our sources that indicate that certain PE funds are actually looking to pick up a significant stake as far as LT Foods is concerned. What we understand is that this particular stake sale could be quite significant in terms that, it could actually trigger a management change. And if that does happen, remember, that it could trigger an open offer. So what we understand is, at the end of this September quarter, we understand that the promoter group actually held close to 56.8% stake in the company. So any, significant stake that is being purchased by an outside investor like a PE fund would actually trigger an open offer. Significantly, management control changing hands would actually indicate that the open offer could happen at a premium to the current market price. Now, what is very interesting is that, a couple of days ago, LT Foods actually has sent out a notification to the exchanges. And what they're saying is that, a board meeting will be held on 31st October 2022 to consider fundraising. And what they're saying is that the board meeting is also going to discuss future strategic plans of the company. And they'll also be discussing reorganization of the shareholding framework of subsidiary companies if required. Now, taking into account this particular development, it'll be interesting to see, what is the outcome of the meeting on October 31st. Also, very interesting is going to be the fact that, how exactly is the company going to change if there is a significant change in the management control. We reached out to the management. They are yet to respond to the email that we sent out to them.
Take that point, Vivek. It's a great break. We will monitor the situation as it comes.